Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will have an introduction to HTML. So at first, HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages, and we are writing some points that will describe what is HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML consists of a series of elements or tags. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, etc. So now let's create a simple HTML document by creating a new file, and this file name will be intro.html, and in this intro.html we will create the basic structure. So in this we will write doc type, and in this we will write HTML. After this we will write the HTML tag, the opening of HTML and the closing of HTML tag, and in this opening and closing we will write down the next tag. So our next tag is the head tag, and in this head tag we can provide a title also. So we will provide title, and in this we will write our first page, and when we click enter, after this head we'll write the body tag, and whatever is displayed on the web browser will be written in this body tag. So we will write down a heading and a paragraph also. So we will write heading 1. So h1 will be used for creating the heading, first heading, and p tag will be used to create a paragraph. So this says this is a paragraph. So that's all for the simple HTML document. When we save this file, open the folder and open this file in browser, it will only display heading first that we have created by using h1, and this is the paragraph by using the p tag, and the title is here. It says our first page, so that we have written in. So these are the basic things that you have to know about the HTML. So first, what is doc type HTML? So doc type HTML declares what version of HTML document we are using. So we can specify the version also. The second tag is the HTML tag, and this element is the root element of an HTML page. We can create anything in this tag. So third tag is the head tag. Head element contains meta information about the HTML pages. That means in this head tag we will specify the title, the link that we want to connect or join some 2 pages or 3 pages. We can specify the link over here by using the link tag that we will learn in further videos. And the fourth tag, that is the title tag. The title element or the tag specifies the title for an HTML page, which is shown on the browser title bar or in the page tab. So this is the title that we have used or written our first page. So this title will be shown over here. And the next tag is the body tag, and the body element or the body tag defines the document's body, and this is the container that will be visible on the browser. So whatever you want to create, such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc., will be created in this body tag. And the next tag is the h1 tag that defines the largest heading that we can create by using the tags. And the next and the last tag is the p tag. This p tag defines the paragraph. So we have created the basic file or a simple HTML document. Now we will learn what is HTML element that we have used above. So these all the tags that have the opening and closing is the element tag. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. So the title, this is the opening tag or the start tag. Our first page is the some content, and the title with a slash is the ending tag. So this is how you can create, or we can take an example also. So here we write the tag name, and in here we'll write the content, and this is the ending tag. So this is how you can create any tag. So we have some examples also that we have created above. The h1 tag is the element, and in here this is the starting, this is the content, and this is the ending tag. In HTML, some elements have no content. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end text. So suppose we have an example of BR. So what BR will do, it will simply change the line, or the next content will be printed in the next line. So we will try this. This is the BR tag that we will use. When we save this file, open the browser and refresh this, then you have seen something. So this happened because of the BR tag. So now we'll discuss why we are using this Chrome browser or any browser to open an HTML file. The purpose of a web browser is to read HTML document and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. So the h1 tag that this is used to create this heading 1 will not be displayed over here, but it will simply increase the size and bold this all thing, and this is a paragraph, so it will be printed normally. So the Chrome browser determined how to print this heading and this paragraph by these tags that we have written over here. And the BR tag is also determined by the Chrome browser used to change the line, or the next content will be printed in the next line. So it will create a space over here. So that's all for this video. In next video, we will learn HTML basics. So keep watching and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.